See if she'll start first pull. That's right. First pull, guys. Yo, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Ryan with Hemifam, back with another awesome video for you guys. Today I have a super cool video, you guys. I'm really excited to show you the new project. I just got this mini bike. It's basically called the Doodlebug. Same concept if you're familiar with it. This is it's called the Baja, something like that, but we'll check it out, guys. It's a kind of in rough shape. I got it used from a good friend of mine. Huge shout out to my buddy Sean from High Box Clothing. He has his own clothing company, and he sold me this for 130 bucks, guys. I know it kind of looks a little bit rough right now, but it's actually in pretty decent shape. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a full cleanup, and this is gonna be the project bike, guys. I'm planning on doing a Predator swap on it. That's basically a bigger motor. It's gonna be a 7 horsepower, 212 cc. Right now it has a 79 cc, so it's gonna be nuts, guys. Stick around for this sick, crazy project build. So let's check out the bike itself, shall we? All right, guys, let's check out this crazy little Doodlebug bike here. I already put some WD-40 there on the chain. It was really dry when I got it. I did the same thing to the clutch assembly there. Put some WD-40 here, you know, where the wheels spin. But that's pretty much it. I just, I filled it up with gas too, just to, you know, make sure there's not any major leaks, anything like that. It is, you know, a little dirty engine wise, but that's nothing to be concerned with. It's going to get dirty there anyways. So super excited about this. It does have the disc in the back, so that is going to be good once we start putting the bigger engine on here. So because we all know when you go fast, you also need to stop that speed. So that'll be good, guys. Huge plans for this thing. This thing is super sick. How sick is this, guys? Everything seems to work pretty good. The on-off switch here. Maybe swap out seats or something. But this thing is too sick, guys. I'm super excited. Just gonna have some fun with it. You know, mess around with different things, maybe throw some wrap on it. Oh, what? Nah, but we'll definitely do something. So, cool stuff, guys. This is the muffler right here. I'm thinking about maybe deleting it, see how that sounds. But, you know, obviously we're gonna wait for the bigger engine to do all that. But it's a pretty good little looking bike. Let's see if it'll crank over, get everything in the on position, see if she'll start first pull. That's right, first pull, guys. Sounds funny, huh? So cool though. Can't wait. Maybe we'll throw it on the drag it against a scat pack. Oh, what? But let's, you know, go give it its maiden voyage ride and make sure, you know, she's gonna be stable. I also made sure that there was oil in it. So it's got oil, it's got gas, it's lubed up. We should be ready to rock and roll here, guys. Let's go for a little ride and check it out now. Okay, as you can see, everything has cleaned up real nice like. The only thing that I see it may need is probably a new clutch. Everything is cleaning up really well. I use the Adams tire and rubber cleaner there, all-purpose cleaner up under here, everything else, the frame. So I'll do some Adams leather cleaner and conditioner here pretty soon, but everything's looking pretty good, guys. I'm super excited with the quality of this, the way it came since it's used, and it's gonna be an awesome series, guys. I can't wait to start modding this thing and posting more videos. So really cool, guys. It was in really great shape and it's lots of fun. All right, guys, so far day one with the mini bike has been a huge success. Everything seems to be running pretty good. I've got it nice and clean. It's cleaning up really well. I am super excited about this new project series we are gonna do on the channel. Be sure to smash that subscribe button so you stay up to date with this new series and you don't miss anything. Check the video description for all of our social media accounts. I will list today's equivalent of this mini bike on Amazon just in case you want to go and pick yourself up a mini bike. You can't find a used one or they're all junk. You can buy one brand spanking new, guys. I'll put some links in the video description. And as always, guys, we'll see you in the next one.